This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix audio overlapping on WhatsApp status iPhone. So follow these simple steps to fix this error. The first solution is offload the WhatsApp app. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, iPhone Storage, search for WhatsApp, tap on it, tap on Offload app and reinstall it and check the issue. And the second solution is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. And the third solution is reset all settings. Go to your settings, tap on General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, check the issue. And the last and final solution is uninstall your WhatsApp app and reinstall it from App Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.